How to set up your customized futures DCA bot. Go to Trade and select Trading Bots. You'll find various trading bot options. For this video, we'll go through the Futures DCA bot. Select the asset you want to trade. Tap on Manual and then choose your trade direction by selecting long or short. Choose your trigger settings to execute your orders. There are two settings. 1. Price steps are the number of price ranges you want the bot to DCA. Price steps divide your total order size into percentages, executing each percentage value at each price step. 2. TP target per cycle is the percentage of your total order size you want to execute at your target take profit prices. Next is your order margin settings. Under Leverage and Margin. Here, you specify the initial investment value you want the bot to use for your first trade. Next, the Safety Order Margin. Here, margin is allocated for all orders placed by the bot to average down or up the entry price. Finally, enter the number of times you want the bot to execute your DCA orders. Use advanced settings to adjust your leverage, set a stop loss or stop trading conditions. And lastly, click Create to launch your DCA bot.